Andropause, the menopause for men. How come you've never heard about it, but you've heard about menopause? In general, men typically don't tend to talk about the changes that they're going through. They kind of just chalk it up to aging, whether it's feeling tired all the time, having that lower libido, having those body joint pains. They really just think it's aging, but it's actually your andropause. It's a medical condition, it's andropause, and it can be fixed. What causes andropause? It's essentially lowering of your testosterone levels as you age. There isn't like a clear marker like menstruation for women when they go through the change, but typically for men, when they hit about the age of 40, some people in their 50s, if not later, men start to lose their testosterone levels. Very often I'll get the questions of like, well, am I gonna start having hot flashes and night sweats? No, those ones are symptoms typically associated with women, but overall in general, the symptoms of testosterone deficiency, which is causing the andropause for men, are the same. It actually affects your entire life. When most people start thinking about men and losing their testosterone, they tend to mostly think about the libido side of things, which is true. Your libido does lower when you start to lose your testosterone levels, and that can affect your relationships, of course. But on top of that, it affects your memory, your ability to focus. It causes weight gain, men to start to lose their muscle tone, and you have increased body joint pains. All of this is related to just having lower testosterone levels. There are also other contributing factors. Having a poor diet. If you're not eating well, if you're not eating your vegetables and your protein, and you're just eating a lot of processed food and snacks, if you're under a lot of stress, if you got a lot of things going on, if your kids are bothering you, if work's getting to you, if you're not exercising, if you're in poor health, if you're overweight, that lowers your testosterone levels as well. Natural ways that help to improve your testosterones is doing the opposite of what I just said. Eating healthy, having a proper diet, making that a priority in your life, and exercising. And it doesn't matter how small it is, exercising, get your body moving, and then of course, relieving your stress. And find ways to do that. If you just need when you come home from work at the end of the day, just go for a walk around the block to help relax, or maybe try something new, try yoga, try meditating, but try to relieve the stress in your life, and that will help to improve those testosterone levels. But more often than not, you need more intervention there. And in that case, you want to seek a medical professional. At that point, they are going to assess you, and they're more than likely going to actually test your hormone levels. And when they see that they're deficient, you will be recommended bioidentical or natural hormone replacement therapy. So what is that? Very simply put, it's just the process of going about increasing your testosterone levels back up nice and high to what they are for the average man in his early 30s. But once those levels are back up high and balanced, your life gets substantially better. You're happy again, you have energy, you start to build that muscle tone, that libido gets back up there, say goodbye to the body joint pains. Everything gets so much better once you increase your testosterone levels. Because you men don't talk about it, I want to start a discussion. You have questions and want to know about these symptoms that you're experiencing, please comment. We'll be here to respond and get this conversation going. If you have found this video to be informative and helpful, please like the video. And if you want more information moving forward to learn about your hormone health, please subscribe. And we look forward to seeing you next time.